show you before. I didn't have time. So let's start with here. This one. So here I was showing sky. So look here in the sky, it's some kind of thunderstorm. See how it's doing in the sky. You see, it's doing stuff here. Look at this area, and it's reflecting the sun. You see it when it's not reflecting. The whole sky is lit up because of the thunder. It's not seen as a line, but as a portion. A whole portion of the sky is illuminated. Never seen anything like this before. This is, I believe, in Italy. I'm not sure. So yeah, we have seen this one, and then I have this one as well. Also same area, same webcam, more thunderstorm. The whole area come lit up. Very heavy thunderstorm. This is real time. So I didn't have time to show you these videos. This is old video. See, it was like every second, sky is looking up, and it was seen far away. At least does not cover the whole sky, only one region. That's why I say it's far away. So it's not making any noise where the webcam is at, only in that area, and you see how intensive it is. Every second, a new illumination. This is real time. I was amazed to see such a thunderstorm. So we have another one here. Also, this one is same location here in the morning, in the dawn. Sun has not risen up. Let's see here. It was in October. We are November now. This is the beginning of October, 10, 12 of October, last month. So we was seeing something in the sky here. So it stayed until the morning. The thunderstorm. You see a little bit lighting. something here. Rising. You see? Here it went up like as if it is some kind of hologram. I don't know what it is actually. It does not look like that. When it is thunderstorm, if you're watching the sky, you see some kind of lines of light. Like the sky is divided, but the whole region is lit up. Very, very strange thunderstorm. Indeed. So, watch a little bit here. This is, of course, October. So it's looking different in that location, that web camera. This is the November, October. We are in November now. This one is not seen. I didn't check it. My last time I did that long time ago, maybe in October last month. This stuff. So maybe I showed this video as well. I'm not sure about it. This is a shame. See if I get one. So nice, we have pictures. So here it was spaceship of 🀭. I'm gonna show you where it is. It's not very clear. Here it is. Where my finger at. So yeah, it is. Okay, we take this one. This one maybe. Yeah, this one more clear. Spaceship of 🀭. It is seen like that because you see it differently with the naked eye. Of course, you see more detail, but less brightness. And well, at night, the quality of the lens affects. This is all infrared, remember. This is heat captured by the infrared webcam. That's why we don't see exactly, but approximately. So here we have another one. This one was. This is the last one here. There's some footage. See, this is how it's looking like. If you look today, tonight, it's looking like that in the sky. And this is massive. The brightness. This is I did the comparison. I'm gonna show you the comparison between how it was back in 2021 and 2025. That's 4 years. 4 years period. How it changed in that location. We usually do that every time and then each year or something like that. And of course, we can never trust unless we do the cloud test, which is we can confirm an object in the sky or not, depending on the cloud test. This is what's looking like. I have maybe another one here. Let's see. Let us see. Here it is. This month. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. This is how it's looking like. This is like Street of Gold. Street of Gold is mentioned in the Holy Bible. Street of Gold. And this is what is here. I had a picture comparison from 2021. So we're gonna see, remember this picture, we're gonna compare it to the picture we have taken from the same location, although changing the web location, although same location, actually, how it was looking like for 4 years ago. So, like I said, let's do the cloud test. This was not seen before. This is seen something like if it is the same one. We don't really know. We don't really know. Trying to figure out together. This is what I get. So this is looking with details inside. Of course, you see here the colors looking like very, very shiny and doing information, some kind of information, looking like a street, street in sky. And you see all this stuff, people. It's amazing to watch that one. But of course, we know that this is infrared, not seen with the naked eyes. And the infrared takes heat from the like from the moon. Does not produce heat. The moon is reflecting the sun. So it's very hot. That spot does not affect Earth. So the light coming from the it's taken by the space from the moon. The light it is coming to some kind of measurable, kind of illumination. And this is also connected to the infrared. But this is heat coming from the sky, and this is seen like that. So this is not visible with the naked eye. In case you think you're gonna see that if you look at the sky tonight or tomorrow, maybe I don't know. But this is you cannot see unless you have this ability to see the infrared within our own eyes. This is through web cameras. This is Spaceship Okeano here. And beside it, we saw this object I was showing. This object. So this is maybe I've showed it before. And this is the one also that's the object. So I was showing this one because I made a comparison. So remember this one? Here, let's take a look. Here I made a comparison. You're gonna take a look at that one here. So this is 2021. This is 2025. So this stuff here, you see this stuff here and this stuff here, here up, and here we don't have it. We have it here. So I'm gonna just take out the last. So this is 2021. So this is 2021, and this is 2025. We got this thing here. So let's go back. So it was 25 October this one. I was showing Spaceship of 𝀭the Most High, and I was out of time. I want to. So it was here. I was showing. Then the video was finished. So we start from where we finished last time, and here it is actually. So let's remember what we've been seeing. This is 24. Yeah, so 24 you have seen. 24 October, you have seen this one. Spaceship Giano. I usually show the previous video last sighting. And this is why we are seeing this one here, 24. And this is 25. So yeah, that was 24 you have seen. I remember now. You have seen this one. I was showing how it's you come here like letter L and this stuff here. And this is here. So yeah, so let's begin 25 October 9 a.m. Here looking like plane actually. I agree on that one. If inverted colors, here's looking like supposed to look like. So you see part of this from the below, and this is circular, like a traditional UFO, like a dish, but it's changing. So now it is changing. I know it's hard to comprehend. Physics, low physics, low physics. Against this is like paranormal. So dealing with spiritual and about this stuff cannot be accepted by science because of no such thing has been made by humans. So, so yeah, so we were here, we were showing. So yeah, it's hard for me to make you believe. If you will not believe, it's not up to me, it's up to God. 25 October. So I'm just documenting this. Check this one here and this stuff following. See, and here you see the eagle. What a bird. Is it a bird? This spaceship looking on. Coming on from the horizon. Looking like this is a good one. I'm gonna take a thumbnail. So you see how it's doing? Sometimes not changing at all. Sometimes changing. Now you see this stuff coming out from this one. This one I'm gonna take a picture. Try to get the. This is it goes like that, and then this one separates and separates further on. Here it separates. Here it is the mothership, like it's connected, maybe some kind of separation in the sky. So you also saw the fleet of UFOs together spaceship King Arno. So this one here, if you can count, see here, one, and then you have here two. So one, two. This is the mothership. Here it is with the fleet. You see here, one, two, three, four, five, six, and this spaceship King Arno here. So all this stuff follow me. Six UFOs. Follow me. UFO fleet with spaceship King Arno, the most high. This is why it is many say, oh, what everybody's all eyes watching the sky and nobody's seeing this stuff. This is, of course, sometimes to the ability to like invisibility becomes invisible. It is very fast. It is invisible. It will not be detected. So I'm saying I cannot see. Believe it will be seen uh, with naked eyes because of some kind of ability. Talking about advanced technologies. 25 October. Here it goes. See, it's following with something. Something for you. Good one. So this one here. You see how it's changing. So what's going on in the world? We don't know nothing about the new happenings or new wars. Only know that it's same news, but then wars in Ukraine, Russia, and in Gaza, even Lebanon, and Israel bombing in Lebanon, and they're gonna bomb more. They said they want Hezbollah to disarm, and even just like in Gaza, Hamas and Israel, they accuse each other of breaking the deal and stuff. So killing on continues in that region, and even in Ukraine, Russia. So spaceship Piano, you see us doing this nice picture. I believe we can take this one. Put it on the thumbnail. It will be nice, don't you think that? So this is now very nice here pictures. I have a lot. I have tons of pictures. And this is 25 as well here. 25, you see 25, 14, 26, sorry, 26, 14, 2 a.m. Here it is coming down here. It's nice because it's nice. It's near the building. You can put this one on thumbnail. This is a UFO. Actually, same one. This is part invisible. I believe that's why. So this is 26 sighting from here. You see behind the tower, all this construction goes like that, and then done. So yeah, some kind of interconnection. So this is spaceship going on. Very advanced pictures here. It will not be believed. It will not fit. I mean, the this one maybe it will not fit in the thumbnail. So I'm saying this is near the roof, near this construction. This is perfect. So also this is because of the thumbnail. It really that we people use AI. This is of course AI free channel. Spaceship looking on the most high. Here you have it. Above the building, touching with the roof, coming down here. Invisible mode is on. See a little bit, the whitish. If you come like, I don't know what to say, not the whitish, but just follow, see how it becomes shrink to three parts. And then it goes here, it's one part here. It's very hard to see it if you're not trained to do this stuff. I've been doing a lot of time. This is how it's doing. See how it's doing here? So people will not notice. Some kind like looking like some kind of crescent in the moon with one edge. And looking out of this world, actually. Spaceship piano. You have this picture. You see, this is the new form. I will show you the comparison from 2021. This is what we have. This is the kind of reflection. This is the heat. The bluish color is very fascinating. It's very fascinating. This bluish color. You can take this picture. A lot of people like that one, I believe. So the color really affect the quality. This one also nice. You never see like lens flare. You see bluish and greenish. You don't see that. Something else is going on. See this stuff here in the middle of the sky. Of course, we cannot see this with the naked eyes. This is infrared capture. Need to wipe out here this region. See if we can make it better here. Wipe out it. So because here it is near the. You see here. It's near the. So here you have it. This one we can take. So we need to put the light back on. And then we can do like this and take this one. So yeah, we have this now on thumbnail. We can continue here. So this is see this UFO fleet. This in Spain, in Tenerife, UFO fleet. Here, cigar shaped UFO, also in Tenerife. This one here. Just watched the video. I showed you the video, it was showing this one. This one is good. This one. So it's doing this one here. So this is, of course, it was a lens flare. So this is the object I was referring to. I was seen before. So this is the object, the original object. It was hardly seen, and it went up. You see from here, you see it besides the lamp, very near the horizon. It went up here, and now this is the one. You see the same lamp location. It went from here to here up, and I made picture showing. So this is what was looking like last month. This object here, you gonna see it. It was somewhere else, maybe here before. And here I made a comparison. This is the comparison. So this is 2025 October, and this is November. This is October, people. Last month, you see this stuff here. There's something here. You see, this is up here. This stuff here, you just show it. It was this one. So this one is here. Hardly seen, only the edge. And then it comes up. Comes like that. So it was here before. Here it is, it was here, and it went up in 1 month. That's one thing. And the other one, you see this one here? This is almost it gets in like interaction with this another one objects, two objects, like one is below, one is up, like they are attached, but I believe they are not. And these guys are here up. So I don't know. You see it now? The two attached objects, similar objects actually. They were here and now they are above the land. So they are here now above the land. Before it was to the side of the land. This is the same land. I don't know if you see it, but this stuff moved and this stuff moved up here, went here, and this stuff here, it went here up. So we have some kind of movement from west to the south and up, like yeah, it's going up. So up to the horizon, from the horizon going up, at the same time to the direction of the south from the west. So this is, of course, we need to do the cloud test. This is not seen with naked eyes. It's infrared. We're talking stuff. This is a bluish color. You see how nice. And here you have bluish also. So nice. We can go and get the bluish in the picture. This is the one here. This is a new one. We need to get this picture also on the thumbnail maybe, because it's something to look at. So I got this one here. Very nice to do like that. And then you can look at it. I didn't get it. Need to do it again. So hopefully, I'm trying to capture the picture before it disappears, like now, because it needs the screen needs external light. Otherwise, it will trying to save energy. This is a good one. This is bluish. You need to do the same thing. Must do it again. So you got it now. So almost half an hour talking, showing pictures and stuff like that. Another one. See here in the middle. That's spaceship of King Anu. I know it. That's why I was taking this picture. And this is another one. We can do the same thing here. And another one. Oh, another one. It's a 24. Yeah. This one. Sorry for I'm doing that. I need to get these pictures actually on the thumbnail. I will do it if I capture it without reflection, of course. This stuff it's not easy here. So a lot of these. See, here's kind of a light coming up from this object. Very strange indeed. I cannot know what it is. Definitely, this is in the sky before. Amazing. And it's coming from this object above it. See here? This object. And here it starts changing again. Looking totally different. So 29 October. See here? Spaceship looking on here coming up. So of course maybe we don't know what you are seeing actually because we never did the cloud tests on these areas in the sky. This one is good. I like it. Spaceship looking on the most high. Sometimes looking like plane or something else, but it disappears in the middle of the sky and it's changing each time we take a picture. A new picture is changing. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's not. But we've been doing this for 3 years, more than 3 years actually. So we know the difference. See how it's doing now? Totally different. And this is documenting this guy from my side. And I want to do it. And I know a lot of people they like to do watch. They cannot watch, and they can see what people like watching, collecting, and they're watching, documenting this guy. Signs and end times. Spaceship moving on. We see how it's doing. Very nice, of course. See. This is 29 October. So 3 a.m. Spaceship moving on here. 29 October 3 p.m. Spaceship moving on. So see a lot of pictures. Sometimes it's without clouds. Sometimes even they see the clouds. So let's take this one. So yeah, I was showing the comparison, of course, and spaceship on here. Very nice picture indeed. So this one. I like the green mixed with the bluish, greenish and bluish in one object. You cannot find this in lens flare. Very hard actually to make comparison. So amazing picture here. You see how sunset. This is like So this is 30 October. This is 1 a.m. p.m. Sorry. That's this is a good one. See this one. From here, you see all the stuff connected to this one. Spaceship looking on. You see the stuff in the clouds. So I don't take this one because it's hardly seen. You know that it will be difficult to see. Trying to show details, but it's not see very clear or big enough. Here's spaceship. You know, this one maybe the color. I don't know. So here it goes. So I know it. That's why. And the people who follow how we recognize, we use some methods like if changing, disappearing. So people they know, or people who have been watching all the time. Might not, mine, I don't know, maybe. But some pictures are similar and showing some kind of a change in the in shape and formation. The 31 October, see here. So we're gonna save this one. So 31st October. So we finish with this one. I'm gonna be tired in my hand, and 45 minutes is enough, I believe. Here, and I don't know if you see it here. It's hard to see. Anyway, so let's start. Let's stop. So here you see. This is the comparison. This is 2021. This is 2025. If you didn't have this one here, come up. This is 2021. This is like this one. It went from here up. Have it here. So here it is. You see, it went here. So this is the last month. These guys, they went here up. They moved here up. They are here now. See them? One here, one here. These are guys. They went up above the land. And this one, see a little bit edge, went up. So this is the movement, and this is from 2025. So that's why the other one, this one, is 2021, 25. This stuff went from last month, it was here. So this is 2021. It's 2025, October. This stuff went here up. And this stuff, you see. That's all people blessing.